Welcome to the Spareka channel. Today we meet for a cleaning and maintenance tutorial for the washing machine with white vinegar. I'll show you how to maintain your washing machine. At the end, you'll get tips to avoid bad odors in your machine. We will watch the top part. There is a compartment. In the first part, we won't touch it since it is reserved for pre-washing and the solution would go directly into the sewers. We'll focus on the second part of the compartment, where we'll add about 50 cl of white vinegar. This will enable us to clean our washing machine. So, a small tip, in the event that you haven't cleaned your washing machine in a while and you detect unpleasant odors, you can opt to add a couple of drops of lemon in white vinegar, as it will assist in eliminating dirt from your drum and also getting rid of limescale, thereby eliminating bad odors as well. Upon adding the white vinegar, we will proceed to close the door. We will then carefully select the hottest program that you have, which is the 90 degrees cotton setting. It is possible that you are not used to using such hot programs. So for example, 90 degrees, since usually washing machines on the market work very well with colder programs. So for example, 30 degrees. But this is really the solution that will be the most effective. A heated solution will be significantly more effective. So I am going to set it to a temperature of 90 degrees. Exercise caution when the pre-wash option is chosen. Make sure to unselect the option, or else the machine will initiate drainage and the product will be dispensed too quickly. So now we can press start to launch the washing. There, you hear the machine starting to fill with water. The water will pass through the behavior in which we have put the white vinegar. Water and vinegar will mix, and this solution will go through all parts of the washing machine to clean it thoroughly. After the cycle is done, if you still detect the scent of white vinegar, feel free to run a few more cycles, 1 or 2 additional rinses, to completely get rid of any remaining smells of white vinegar. You can find this bottle of white vinegar from the brand Fixed by Me on the Spareka website, which is displayed right there. It is a bottle that will allow you to clean your household appliances, such as your washing machine, dishwasher, kettle or coffee maker, for example. This white vinegar has a volume of 1 liter and it is 8 degrees Celsius. For optimal performance and cleanliness, it is crucial to regularly clean the drain filter of your washing machine. For top-loading washers, the filter is positioned inside the drum paddle, which is located within the machine's drum. To retrieve this filter, you will need to use a screwdriver or a rod. You will apply pressure to the hole of the drum door and gently pull it outwards to release it from its position. It permits the user to unlock the drum in the morning. Following that, we will gently rotate the drum a little bit in order to retrieve the filter that is located at the bottom of the drum. So there it is, we removed the 2 items from the washing machine. So now we have the start of the drum and the drain filter. So these 2 elements, you have the option to clean them with white vinegar using a sponge. Alternatively, you can also place them in the dishwasher and allow it to run easily. As a second tip, you can also clean the areas around the washing machine by using a sponge soaked in white vinegar to tidy up the surrounding areas. This is the location where bacteria and dirt will settle. Additionally, we have the capability to clean these specific components in this area. This is also the location where there will be dirt, so please do not forget to avoid using the abrasive side, since he will be way too aggressive. So the last tip, if you have persistent bad odors, you can add a few drops of essential oil in the second part of the compartment. Interview every 3 months. Clean filter more for optimal drain performance and efficiency maintenance. And don't forget that most breakdowns are caused by a lack of maintenance or poor maintenance of household appliances. So take care of your products. We showed you how to clean your washing machine and maintain it at its best. Have questions? Ask in the comments. Like the video. Give it a thumbs up, it's appreciated. Haven't subscribed yet? Subscribe to the channel for more content.